Hello folks and welcome to Sound Codex. Today we talk about kick sounds. Yeah, because finding or designing the perfect kick for your music track plays a really big role in the entire music production process. Of course, we're talking about electronic music genres mostly, but kick sound, a good kick sound is the foundation of every music genre essentially. Thanks to this project, I started experimenting with percussive sounds in plugdata, and what I found super interesting was the degree of complexity of a truly good sounding kick. So I decided to make my Kick Designer plugin. It is free, it's available on my Patreon page, the link is in the video description down below. It is called mulekick. If this name reminds you of something, well, what can I say if not welcome to the Team Nostalgia. Mulekick is essentially a synthesizer, so you can synthesize your kick sound starting from very basic and short kick sounds to very aggressive, distorted and super compressed sounds. Now let's take a closer look to mulekick, how it sounds, what are its main features. At the end of this video, as always, you'll find a quick guide showing how to properly install plugdata and set up mulekick to work within your favorite DAW. First thing first, when you download plugdata, make sure to install both the standalone application and any of the plugin version, VST3, LV2 or clap version. Then, once you've downloaded my zip folder from my Patreon page, you'll find mulekick.pd file and mulekick icon. You can create a new folder inside your computer. I decided to make one called plugdata plugins under documents. You grab your mulekick.pd and the icon file, you drag and drop them within the new folder. Now you can open plugdata as a standalone application. We can enter the main menu, settings, paths. Here inside this list, we're gonna add our new folder path. So add search path. Mine is under documents and it's called plugdata plugins. Select folder, and now plugdata is reading from that folder. So we can close this tab. We can close plugdata as a standalone application. We can run our favorite DAW. Mine is Reaper. We can add the plugdata VST or whatever plugin version. Make sure to select plugdata-fx. Add. Now you can create a new patch. Double click, type in mulekick, press enter. You can write some MIDI notes. You can press spacebar. You can enter the run mode. It can be activated by clicking on this icon. Now you can interact with mulekick. Now that the plugin is running, we can enter the edit mode once again. So click on this pencil icon. We can move the mulekick graphical user interface to the top left corner. Make sure it is set to position 0, X and Y. If we select the icon, we are gonna see its size. So it's 2019 pixel by 350. We can now click on the canvas, right click, properties, and you want to add the same values. So it was 219 by 350. Now, if we click on this icon, we're gonna see just the GUI, the graphical user interface. And this is much better. You can zoom in. We have 3 volume controls. Mulekick works with 3 layers. The first one is made by these green knobs. With this first voice, you could create a complete kick sound. We have this loop. Let me set everything to the default position. You can change the kick slope. You can change the pitch envelope. You can increase the decay time. You can change its tone. This will add a low pass filter. You can add some overdrive. As you can see from the display, we can visualize in real time the kick envelope and understand if you're designing the right kick for your track. Then we have a crush, which is a beat crusher, downsampling. With this, you can create very aggressive and super experimental kicks. The second voice is used to add super low frequencies. The fundamental is 33 Hz. So this adds extremely low frequencies. If we add saturation, we can increase the harmonic content, making it more audible. As we can see, higher frequencies are present here. When the main kick is hitting, the second layer has no attack, and it will increase its volume with a different attack curve. We can change its slope with this control. The last layer is used to add the hook sound. So it's very percussive and you can change its pitch. Let's have a listen to this third layer only. We can increase its harmonic spectrum by adding harmonics and creating these resonances. They can add that extra layer of sound to your kick. Now, you can also use this plugin as an 808. Dubstep bass lines. We have finally arrived at the end of this video. If you like mulekick and you want to support my channel, consider joining my Patreon page as well as subscribing to my YouTube channel. I constantly update all my projects, so if you download mulekick today, maybe in a week or two you'll find a newer and updated version. If you want to suggest possible improvements, or if you simply want to tell me what you think about mulekick, feel free to write a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao!